Everybody is talking about ChatGPT, but why? ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you find answers to almost any question that you have. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks on how to make the most of ChatGPT so you can quickly and easily get the information you need. So the first tip is to understand how ChatGPT works. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, let's start by understanding how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to understand your questions and provide you with accurate answers. Essentially, ChatGPT uses algorithms to analyze the words you type and determine the best possible answers based on its vast knowledge base. This means that ChatGPT can understand complex questions and provide a wide range of information on almost any topic. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not perfect. While it can provide accurate answers most of the time, there may be instances where it doesn't understand your questions or provides an incorrect answer. So you need to keep in mind that ChatGPT is a tool, and like any other tool, it has some limitations. Next is be specific with your questions. To get the best possible answer from ChatGPT, it's essential to be specific with the questions that you ask ChatGPT. So avoid asking vague or general questions as they may not provide the best answer. Instead, try to ask questions that are specific and to the point. For example, instead of asking what is the best way to lose weight, try asking what are some effective weight loss techniques for beginners. By asking specific questions, you give ChatGPT more context and help it to provide a more accurate answer. This is because ChatGPT relies on the keywords and phrases in your questions to understand what you are asking. So the next tip is you need to use keywords. For you to get the best answer from ChatGPT, it is essential for you to use keywords. Keywords are the most important words in your question that will help ChatGPT understand what you are asking. For example, if you are looking for a recipe for chocolate cake, include the word chocolate cake in your question. By using keywords, you help ChatGPT narrow down its search and provide more relevant results. This is because ChatGPT can analyze the keywords in your question and use them to find the most relevant information in its knowledge base. So the next step is you need to use short sentences. When asking a question to ChatGPT, it's best to use short, simple, and precise sentences. This will help ChatGPT understand your questions better and provide a more accurate answer. Avoid using complex sentences or jargon, as this might confuse ChatGPT and provide an inaccurate answer. By using short sentences, you make it easier for ChatGPT to analyze your question and understand what you are asking. This is because complex sentences or jargon can make it difficult for ChatGPT to identify the main point of your question. The next step is you need to review the answer. Once ChatGPT provides an answer, make sure to review it carefully. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. So it's always a good idea to double check the answer before taking any action. If you're not sure about the answer or need more information, try asking a follow-up question to get a more detailed answer. By reviewing the answer, you can ensure that it is accurate and relevant to your question. This is important because ChatGPT may sometimes provide answers that are not entirely relevant to your question or may require additional context. By asking follow-up questions, you can clarify your question and get a more detailed answer from ChatGPT. Mastering ChatGPT can be done in just 5 minutes by following these simple tips and tricks. So next time you have a question, give ChatGPT a try and see how easy it is to get the answer that you need. Thanks for watching.